Have you ever told yourself, I'll do it tomorrow, only to realize tomorrow never really comes? Time is a strange thing. It slips through our fingers like grains of sand. We chase after dreams, we make promises, and yet we continue to waste the one thing that can never be replaced: time. This is the story of a boy. A simple, lazy boy in a quiet village. But more than that, it is a story that mirrors the lives of millions of us, caught between the desire to succeed and the habit of procrastination. Let me take you on a journey. A tale that begins in a forgotten corner of the world but ends in the heart of every one of us. In a small village nestled between hills and rivers, lived a boy who was not stupid, but careless. He wasn't unkind, just lazy. He would leave his books untouched, push away chores, and always say, "I'll do it later. There's plenty of time." His parents tried, his teachers pleaded. Time waits for no one, they said. But their words fell like rain on stone. The boy didn't hate work, he simply didn't see the urgency of now. He lived as though tomorrow was promised, and today could be wasted. One day, a traveler arrived. Not just any traveler, but a wise man whose name was whispered with respect across many lands. People from nearby villages flocked to meet him. They believed he had answers to life's hardest questions. The boy, too, grew curious. He didn't seek wisdom, he just wanted a shortcut. Maybe, he thought, this man can tell me how to become better than my classmates. When it was his turn, he approached the old man and asked, "Please help me. I feel like a failure. I'm behind in everything. I want to be the best, but I don't know how." The old man smiled, not with judgment, but with compassion. "My child," he said, "you are not a failure because you lack talent. You are in trouble because you do not value your time." He looked deep into the boy's eyes and continued, "Let me tell you a story, a true one that may change your life. Long ago, in a kingdom of golden towers and lush gardens, there lived a wise and generous king. One day, while walking through the market, he met an old friend from childhood. But the friend was no longer the cheerful boy he once knew. Now, he looked defeated, poor, and burdened. "What happened to you?" the king asked gently. The man sighed. "Nothing in life ever worked for me. No one gives me a chance. People say I'm lazy, but I swear I try." The king pondered and then smiled. "Let me give you an opportunity. Come to my palace. Before sunset today, you may take as much gold and treasure as you can carry. No tricks, no tests, just take what you want." The man's eyes lit up. He bowed in gratitude and rushed home to share the good news with his wife. Excited, he exclaimed to his wife, "Today, our luck has changed." His wife urged him to go immediately, but he paused. "Wait, I haven't eaten. Let me eat first." She quickly prepared a meal. He ate leisurely, imagining the riches he'd soon collect. Then, he yawned. "That meal made me sleepy. I'll take a short nap." He closed his eyes for just a moment and woke up 2 hours later. Panicking slightly, he grabbed some sacks and set off. The sun was high, and the heat was exhausting. "Maybe I should rest under that tree for just a minute," he thought. The breeze was cool. The shade was perfect. And once again, he fell asleep. This time, he slept until evening. When he woke, the sun was kissing the horizon. He jumped up and ran. His heart pounded. His mind screamed, "Please don't let it be too late." He reached the palace gates just as the sun dipped below the horizon. But the gates were closed. The opportunity was gone. The man stood there, staring at the closed doors, the setting sun casting long shadows of regret. The wise man paused. The boy sat still, silent. His heart felt heavy, as though he had lived that life himself. "Do you understand now?" the wise man asked. The boy nodded. His eyes were no longer dull. They sparkled not with shame, but with realization. He bowed deeply. "Thank you, sir. I won't waste my time anymore." From that day, the boy changed. He woke early, studied hard, helped his parents, and completed every task without delay. He stopped chasing shortcuts and started building habits. Within a year, he became one of the most respected students in the village. His secret? He learned the value of time. Time is life. You can lose money and earn it back. You can lose friends and find new ones. But once time is gone, it's gone forever. Think of this. A student understands the value of a year when they fail an exam. A traveler knows the value of a minute when they miss their train. A father feels the value of an hour when he misses his child's first steps. If you value time, time will value you. But if you waste time, time will destroy your dreams. We are all given 24 hours in a day. The difference between failure and greatness is how we choose to use those hours. So stop waiting. Stop saying, someday. Let today be the day you decide to act. You don't need to be a genius to succeed. You don't need to be rich, famous, or lucky. All you need is to stop wasting time. Because the palace of opportunity will not wait forever. And the sun is already setting.